Hi everyone. We have been recreating the interactions that we see on Framer's website, and this time we are focusing on the accordion interactions that we see so commonly being used in a lot of FAQ sections. So that is what we're going to recreate today. Let's see how that is done. Let's hop on to the designs where I have recreated the entire Framer's pricing page structure. So let's just zoom into the FAQ section here. So there's a way where we can recreate it from scratch, but you also get readily available FAQ sections on Framer's pre-made templates. So what you can do here is you can go to insert and go all the way to sections, scroll down, and here you will find the FAQ section, which you can insert and edit it as per your requirement. You can just tap on it just like this, and I'm going to just see how it works. Just like that, it's very smooth. You can change the content here, the titles, and you can customize it as per your requirement. But this is not what we're going to use now. We are going to focus on creating our component from scratch. Start by renaming all our stacks here. So there's a title, an icon. Let's just select the title, and I'm going to call it title here. And then I'm going to select the entire stack and call it maybe an accordion. And let's just select the stack which consists of the title and the icon and call it title with icon. So we have named it appropriately. Now let's just create a content and call it accordion. So an accordion has two states. So we'll have two variants. One is the open state and one is the closed state. So let's just add another variant here and create the open state. I'm going to call the variant 1 my open state or the expanded state, and my variant 2 to be the collapsed state or the closed state. So I'm going to let's just add the text here, change the properties accordingly. Just make it white in color and change the line height to maybe 1.7. And I'm going to just add the text here. Let's just ensure it fits the box. So I'm just going to do the fill the area, and I'm going to ensure it is inside a frame, and let's just call this frame panel, and the panel will not be visible in my closed state. So I have created two states here. So on tap, when I connect open to closed, it will change the state. And I'm going to add the similar interaction from closed to the open state. Now let's just play and see how it's working. So the closed state is fine, but then when we open it, we see how the text sort of appears before the box, which looks kind of odd. So I'm going to just fix this now. Let's see how that can be done. Let's just go back to home, get rid of all the other stacks right here, and I'm going to just select here and just get rid of the fill and the shadows, because that is what is not behaving the way we want it to, and see if the interaction is still working, which it is. So I'm going to go back now, and let's go back to the home page. Here what I'm going to do is I'm going to try another method where I'm going to create a frame first. Just going to adjust the size a little bit just like that. Change the color, let's just give it a random color, red, to see if it's working. Place the component inside the frame and center align it. And I'm going to ensure that I call it a row. And let's just change the properties to fit content so it gets the right size. So now let's just create a component out of it and add another variant. Here I'm going to add the open state here, because it was already a component. I'm getting that option here, and add the interaction again. So now I can connect variant 1 to variant 2 and variant 2 to variant 1 again, and let's see if that is working. Well, the interaction definitely has gotten better. It's working the way it should be working. So that is how we want it to be, and we'll have to ensure it isn't red in color. So I'm going to copy the properties of the stack here and go back to the component, copy paste the properties. So now it's time for us to play and see if this is working fine. This is what we are covering in this tutorial, where we see how we can crack the seamless interaction of an accordion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful. See you next time.